Well, in this form, we introduce a little slow-motion kick. This form requires a degree of balance, and it's important to limit your own movement to within your own comfortable and safe level. If you can only lift your foot slightly off the floor or kick at a very low angle, then that's right for you. There's no pass or fail. There's only what you can do safely in order to benefit from the practice.
I'm moving as if I were your reflection. For you, it'll be like looking into a mirror. When I say to you, raise your right arm, you raise your right arm on this side. Remember, it's like looking in a mirror. We've just finished Golden Rooster stands on one leg, and we're standing on our right leg with left knee bent and left hand raised to just below eye level. The right arm is at waist height, palm down. From this position, lower, bending both knees slightly. The left hand comes down in an arc to waist height, and the right hand moves to meet it. The wrists of both hands cross. Palms are facing up. Next, lift both arms and spread the arms, keeping elbows slightly bent and palms facing forwards and outwards. Your right arm is pointing at 1:30. Your left arm is pointing to 10:30. Both arms are slightly forward of the body. At the same time, lift the right foot off the floor and extend your leg, leading with the heel towards 1:30. The foot is flexed and the toes are pointing up. At the same time, straighten the standing leg, the left leg. Your head is facing 1:30. Now do that on the other side. Bend the right knee and lower the foot to the floor, and at the same time, bend the knee of the standing leg. As the foot sinks to the floor, lower both hands to abdomen level, where the wrists cross again, palms up. Your weight is shifting to the right leg. Next, lift the left knee while also lifting your arms and straightening the standing leg, which is now the right leg. Extend both arms with palms facing away. The left hand is pointing to 10:30, and the right hand is facing 1:30, both arms slightly forward of the body. Straighten the kicking leg, the left leg, leading with the heel in the direction of 10:30. Your head is pointing towards 10:30. The hands and feet move in unison. Notice that your kicking leg rises as the standing leg straightens, and your arms rise to shoulder level with the toes pointing down. But as our hands arrive at shoulder level, at that point where we spread the arms, this is the point where the kicking foot flexes, and we now lead with the heel into the kick. This is an ideal point to secure your center of balance. Notice too that as we lower the kicking foot, we first bend the knee, pointing the toes to the floor, and then lower the foot. Repeat this movement a few times. Inhale, when we are low and stable, the knees are bent. Exhale with the rising. Inhale as we lower. Exhale as we rise. At the end of Golden Rooster, we're standing on our right leg with left leg and hand raised. In the next tutorial, we'll take a look at Grasp the Bird's Tail.